The Met Office is predicting significant disruption this weekend with weather warnings out for snow and ice at various times across the country. Wales and Scotland are both bracing for snow, with a small area of England likely to see a white out this weekend. Some areas look likely to have heavier snowfall than others, with lower level areas looking at a couple of centimeters of powder, and higher levels seeing more persistent, heavier snow. The weather warning for Wales and England reads, an area of rain, pushing in from the south west overnight will turn to sleet and then snow during the course of Saturday morning, before the band stalls and starts to move south again in the afternoon as it eases. A few cm of snow are possible at low levels, but more persistent snow is expected across Wales and some hills elsewhere, with 3-7 centimeters of snow possible above 150 meters elevation and 10-15 centimeters over higher ground, above 250 meters, mainly in Wales. There is also a low chance of around 20 centimeters over the higher routes in the Brecon Beacons. Met Office Chief Meteorologist, Neil Armstrong, said, a weather front moves northeastwards across the UK bringing rain which turns to snow as it pushes further north and meets with colder air. This system has prompted a number of warnings including a rain warning for Northern Ireland, while snow warnings will be in force for parts of northern England and Scotland. In locations higher than 200 metres across northern England and southern Scotland we could expect to see around 2-5 centimetres of snowfall, but areas of similar elevation north of Glasgow and Edinburgh could see up to 20 centimetres of snow. This weekend, Scotland is unsurprisingly going to be hit with a barrage of snow. Elevated areas such as the Highlands are likely to see more snow, but there could be some falling on lower areas on the east coast such as Aberdeen, Dundee, and Edinburgh. Elsewhere, central Wales, Oxfordshire and Gloucestershire look likely to be hit with a barrage of snow on Saturday. Maps show bands of rain turning to snow, but there is some uncertainty as to where could see bigger flurries of snow. Maps indicate snow is certain to fall in higher areas as temperatures remain cold, but there is likely to be some snowfall in lower areas too. The Met Office's forecast for the start of February added snow could continue to fall into the second month of 2021, with more weather warnings for snow currently in place for next week. The forecast said, going into next week, it is likely that unsettled conditions will dominate, with low-pressure systems moving in off the Atlantic. The weather will be changeable. Periods of rain or wintry showers, and strong winds are likely, especially in the west, with brief more settled spells in between. Westerly or southwesterly winds during this period will bring milder conditions to most areas, but occasional interludes of cold northerly winds are possible. It will be on this boundary between the colder and milder air masses where any snowfall to lower levels could possibly occur. Towards the end of this period, we may see high pressure build over the north of the UK, bringing colder conditions and wintry outbreaks.